connect all the pieces of the drag and drop game to the appropriate targets, the first thing we need to do is go back to our external ActionScript class file and create a function. So I'm going to go in the functions section right after the one-line comment that says functions. I'm going to press enter a few times to go down a few lines, and I'm going to create a function called setTarget. So I'm going to type public function separated by a space setTarget, capital T, open parenthesis, P underscore the target with a capital T, colon, movie clip with capital M and a capital C, close parenthesis, colon, void with a capital V, enter, enter again, open curly bracket, enter again, close curly bracket, up arrow, enter. I'm going to scroll down and just explain what this line of code does. This might look a little hairy. First word, public. What does that mean? When you're defining a function in a class file, you have two options. You can call it a public function or a private function. A public function is accessible by both your external class file and your main FLA file. A private function is only accessible, or you can only run that function within that class file that you define it in. So this is a public function called setTarget, and it has one parameter called P underscore the target that's going to be the movie clip. And so what this function is going to do is going to set our piece to the appropriate target movie clip. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a trace statement to make sure that this is running properly. So in here I'm just going to type trace, open parenthesis, open quote, set target, space, close quote, space plus space, P underscore the target, capital T, close parenthesis, semicolon. So this trace statement is going to say set target, and then a space, and then the plus sign just means it's going to kind of sandwich this variable name at the end of that. So P underscore the target is going to be the target movie clip. And so when we run this function in the main ActionScript file, we'll know that everything is connected to the appropriate target. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to save this file. I'm going to go back to our FLA file, and I'm going to go into the actions layer in the first keyframe, and I'm going to click on the actions panel to open it up. Now let's use that setTarget method to set the target movie clips for all of our pieces. So I'm going to close this actions panel and just click on one of these pieces, and notice the instance name is T7 underscore MC. Let's see, where is that? And if I click on the appropriate target, T7 target underscore MC. So they're all named just like that. So the piece is named T1 underscore MC, T target underscore MC for the target, so on and so forth. All right, let's go back to those actions and open up the actions panel. And so I'm going to type T1 underscore MC dot set target, open parenthesis. And now we need to give the target name, which is going to be the target movie clip. Remember, that's going to be the original instance name, first part, then target underscore MC. Close parenthesis, semicolon. I'm just going to test the movie to make sure this works. Look in the output window, see set target, and then it has the instance name. Just starts with level 0 because that's how Flash recognizes the instance name. You can just kind of ignore that for now. So it says T1 target underscore MC. So we know that's working right. Excellent. So let's just copy this line of code and apply it. Scroll up and you can kind of fast forward a few seconds if you wish. I won't be offended, I promise. So I'm just going to change all of these to the appropriate names and change the numbers in the target movie clips to the appropriate names. Then I'll just test the movie to make sure everything's running properly. And there we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Everything is working, and we're happy.